Work with Docker and IDE. To share installation, we decided to work with Docker. For each project, global dependencies are installed inside the container. We are developing with Python and Java, but at this time, let's speak about Python only, winky face. Working with Vim, for example, I want to use code completion, but because the entire libs are installed in container, my Vim installation on host cannot access them. This is true with Java, JavaScript, and so on, and it's absolutely normal. But is there any solution to be able to work with container, getting access to libs for IDE, without to install IDE in the container itself?
Why don't you check out the official image for Python? This URL. It doesn't provide exactly what you're looking for, but it supports a workflow where the container is built the same way as it should be run on your development machine. Dependencies listed in the requirements.txt and downloaded using pip. Hope this helps.
But is there any solution to be able to work with container, getting access to libs for IDE, without to install IDE in the container itself? The trick is to run your IDE from the container. Your IDE is installed on your host, you just run it in the container. For this to work, you need an IDE container that has all the system requirements your IDE needs. Can display GUI applications. Has a volume mounted on the location of your IDE on your host. An example of all this with a well-known Python IDE instead of Vim is discussed here. Warning: this has been validated on Ubuntu 14.04 only. PyCharm Docker integration.
You may also try using cloud-based IDEs like Eclipse Che or Cloud9. It has support for Docker and runs in a browser. Update: I just found out that Eclipse Che and Cloud9 are not mature enough to run Java apps, so you might want to try IntelliJ. This URL.
Yes,